Tell me if this sounds like you. You sit to study, and your mind runs away. Exams come, and the stress takes over. Night hits, and you raid the kitchen like a zombie. You think this is bad habits? No. This is your hormones messing with you. Let's untangle this in a simple way. Let's start by understanding the concept of hormones. Think of hormones as chemical messages your body sends through the bloodstream. Your brain says something, your body follows the order. That's it. So, the word hormones are defined as hormones are chemical messages your body sends to tell different parts what to do. They're made by special glands called endocrine glands, and each hormone has a very specific job. Here's an example to understand the hormone concept more clearly. Hormones work like text messages your body sends. Your brain types the message, your blood delivers it, and only the phone with the right code can open it. Same as, only specific hormone can do specific function. Adrenaline cannot make glucose, and pancreas cannot help in growth. Here are 5 important jobs hormones do. 1. Control growth and development. They tell your body when and how to grow. 2. Manage metabolism and energy. They decide how your body uses food and energy. 3. Maintain balance. They keep things like temperature, blood sugar, and water levels steady. 4. Handle stress. They help your body respond to danger or pressure. 5. Control reproduction. They regulate puberty, sexual development, and fertility. Some of the most important hormones you should know. Insulin, which controls sugar in your blood. Adrenaline, who is responsible for stress or panic reactions. Thyroxine controls metabolism. Growth hormone helps you grow taller and repair cells. Melatonin manages your sleep cycle. As we have discussed earlier that hormones are made by different glands in your body, each with its own job. The main ones are 1. Pituitary gland. 2. Hypothalamus. 3. Adrenal gland. 4. Thyroid gland. 5. Parathyroid gland. 6. Pancreas. 7. Gonads. Each gland produces hormones that target specific parts of your body. Now that we know what hormones do in our body, imagine what happens if they stop working properly. That's when hormonal diseases come in. And trust me, they affect things you notice every day, like energy, growth, and stress. So here are some common hormonal diseases such as 1. Diabetes. When insulin doesn't work properly, blood sugar rises. 2. Osteoporosis. Weak bones due to hormonal imbalance. 3. Hyperthyroidism. Too much thyroid hormone speeds up metabolism. 4. Gigantism. Excess growth hormone in kids. And there are more, but these are the ones to remember for now. So now we've covered all the basics of hormones. If you want to understand the whole hormonal chapter in an even simpler way, make sure to like this video and subscribe, because we're going to break down the rest of the chapter, step by step, just for you. Till then, stay tuned for the next easy hormonal breakdown.